Who's the best?
I am. Should I show you my back kick? I will show you, okay?
Yo, what's up, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good. What you doing? African?
Yes.
Hmm.
How,
Nice.
how you know? How you know?
Black?
You're black.
Who said that? Who is that in the background?
My friend in Discord.
Okay, he sees me too. Hey!
That's not me. That's not me, Ninja. Ninja, relax. It's not
Hey,
me.
chill out. We can say it. We can say it. We're not white.
I'm black. Don't worry about it.
Did you call
We're
me
black.
ninja, bro?
No, we called you we're black. It's okay.
Nah. Okay. Wait. How many friends are there?
Let me see. There. Oh, shit. There is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 4 people call me in 30 seconds, bro. How is that possible,
They,
bro?
they didn't say.
Nah,
They
the
said
one
nigga.
said the other said ninja, the other said Rito, bro. Nigga is crazy. Rito is crazy, bro.
It's okay, my nigga. Cool.
Okay, yeah,
Yo,
I fuck with you, bro.
yo, you did us on
Yeah,
YouTube
we
or
fuck with
something?
you too.
Yes, I'm making now a YouTube video, though.
Take your glasses off.
Nah, you're gay. Trying
Hey,
to look into
you
his eyes.
You wanna look in my eyes?
Find that shit. You find that
Yeah,
shit.
this nigga. Hell.
You know what I'm trying to
He
do?
asked me to take off my glasses, bro.
You know what I'm trying to
The
do?
homie right here. Nah, that
What? You trying to what?
You know what I'm trying to do to you?
What?
Yo, pause. Pause.
I'm trying to eat your ass.
Hey yo! Well, let's haram.
I'm trying to eat your ass. Stuff it with
Hey, yo,
turkey.
Hey yo, bro. Hey, bro. Friends, right now in disco, bro. Back off this guy, bro.
I know. We know.
Sorry,
He's
sorry,
weird as
sorry.
hell.
Bro, he's fucking weird as fuck, bro.
You have dreads? You have dreads?
I got twists.
I'm trying to pull them bitch.
Is
Hey,
it
bro,
real?
look, Matt, shut the fuck up, bro. Bro,
Real?
you
No, is your dreads real? I'm trying to. Are they real?
yes.
Nigga, fuck you.
Wait,
kid,
pull
nigga,
on
you're
them?
gay.
What?
All
Pull
right,
on
chill.
them.
Nah.
Pull on them. Pull on them. Let me see if they're real or not. Good boy.
Fuck you,
nigga really think good boy.
bro. Nah, bro, he's gay. All you feds are gay. Somebody straight here. Somebody straight.
Nigga, everyone cats.
Hey, you look like 24. I ain't gonna lie.
I look like 24.
Yeah.
Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah, I'm not
You
gonna
look
lie,
like you should be.
more like 26.
You look like you should be in my bedroom.
Yeah. What
okay,
the
bro. Okay,
fuck?
now, like everybody, calm the fuck down, bro. The next person who says something, bro, is actually gay. Fuck my.
Hey.
Y'all saw that?
Hey,
Y'all
bro.
saw that?
Yeah, we saw that
Nah,
chat.
fuck, bro.
What the fuck?
No, like where you live at right now.
Switzerland.
I usually don't fuck with niggas Switzerland, but I fuck with you.
Okay, what do you mean you usually don't? You have been fucking from Switzerland, bro?
What the fuck?
Bro, are you
Nah.
like an international person, bro?
Nah, like I don't like the way they talk.
You don't like the
I
way we
Fuck
talk,
with you. I
why?
fuck with you.
You
But I
don't
fuck
even
with you.
understand, bro. What's up, man?
Slimmy, you have the brains. Check those brains.
I need to retwist tomorrow.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. I went to the fridge. I was going to find some snack. I didn't find you.
Oh! Very good, very good.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
ऐसा शेयर करो मेरे बात जो तू हो मेरे बगैर तू नहीं लड़खड़ा के चल पड़े हैं खड़े तो नहीं जगमगा गए हैं लेकिन डरे तो नहीं दामन पे है दाग जो के धुले ही नहीं तू भूल गई हम भूले से भी भूलते नहीं मेरे यार बदल गए थे मैं बदल गया मैं गिर गिर के फिर संभल गया तेरा अपना
Off this shit, bro. Off this shit. Off it. Off the music. Music is ass. Music is ass. Off it. Yes, thank you. Never play this shit anymore, okay? Never play this shit anymore. Fuck, bro. Get me mad, bro. Hear some shit like that. You are far too old to be on this shit, bro.
Hey, bro.
What's up, man?
Where are you from?
I'm from Austria. Australia.
Oh, yeah?
Australia.
Yeah, I'm from Australia.
How is Australia, bro? I hear you got many insects.
Yeah, no, not that many. Only if you're in like
Nah.
Northern Cape.
I've seen
Outback.
videos, bro. Spiders like this big. This big.
No, bro.
Bro,
All
I'm
fake.
scared. I'm scared of Australia, bro. Yo, do you think I could fight a kangaroo, bro? You want
Yeah.
you want to see my moves? You want to see my moves?
You sure?
Okay, look my moves, bro. I'm crazy now. Actually, look. Look, when a kangaroo approaches me, bro, this is what I do.
Okay. Fighting.
Do you see my moves? Do you think I got chances, bro?
Yeah, no. They fight more upper body, like ooh.
Aha, okay, then I will do like this. So.
No. They use their kicks to kick them.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'm crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, boy, you ain't 55, bro. How old are you, bro?
No, I'm 13.
How old? 13.
Yeah.
Okay, bro, look, you're 13. You need to be careful on these sites, okay?
Okay.
Just be careful, because you're an Australian, bro. Just show them a big ass spider, and they will be scared, bro. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bro. See you, bro.
See ya.
Bro, look, bro, you gotta be wholesome. You're too old. Get off this app. Get off this site. Okay, look, I won't skip, guys. I won't skip.
Black sexy with chocolate man.
Hello?
What's good?
What are you watching?
Boondocks.
What?
Boondocks.
Boondocks. Bro, is it like two black children? Kids?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, yeah, no. Is that your hand, bro? What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, that's my hand.
What are you doing? What's up?
Oh,
Lucas?
manín,
Huh?
¿qué lo que?
What you say?
¿Qué lo que?
What does that mean? Que lo que?
¿Qué lo que is? What's up? ¿Qué lo que is? What's up?
Que lo
In
que is
Spanish.
what? Okay, you sure?
Yeah. Okay, bro. Nice to meet you. You are a very big man.
What?
You are big man. Big man. Sorry, big man. You are big man. My English is
I am a big man.
yeah. You're strong.
Yes, you are also strong, bro. You are also strong.
Come on, bro.
Okay, Yeah. Spain. I love Spain people. You also love Spain people, bro?
Sorry, what?
I like Spain. Spanish people.
Cool. I'm not Spanish. I'm Brazilian.
I
It's
know,
different.
but the person before you was Spain.
Oh, the person before me. Well, it was Spanish.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes. Hey, bro.
Sorry.
Who is the best football player?
But best football player,
Yes.
Vini Jr.
Vini Ju. Okay. Are you serious?
He's the best of the world, man.
Okay, of all time.
Oh, Pelé?
Nah, no.
He's the king of football, man.
Yes, okay, he's the king, but he's not the goat of football, though. I
Oh,
thought Who's the GOAT of football? The GOAT.
I don't know a lot of about football, but I think Messi is a great, one of the greats,
Yes.
and Cristiano Ronaldo is
Yeah.
one of them.
Yes.
But I really like the Ronaldinho Gaúcho. Do you know them? Do you know him?
Who?
Ronaldo Gaúcho.
Ronaldo Gaúcho. I never heard of him. Okay, but no Neymar, no Ronaldinho. You say Vinicius,
Ronaldinho.
You say Vinicius Junior.
Yes.
But Vinicius Junior, bro, is good, yes, but he is not the best.
Who's the best?
I am.
Oh, you are great people.
I'm the best. Should I show you? Should I show you my back kick? I will show you, okay?
Okay, show me.
Okay, look. Look, when the ball comes, look how we do.
Great. Great.
You see, bro, how good I am, bro?
You're awesome, man.
Yes. Thank you, man.
I just saw the goal. The
Whoa,
goal.
Crazy.
The goal.
Whoa.
David.
Exactly, yes.
You're a cool guy, man. Thanks.
Thank you, man. Bro, you too, bro. You funny as fuck, bro.
See you, man.
Bye. Bro, look, W mans, bro. W. I love Spanish people and I love Brazilian people.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
I like your shades, bro.
You like my what?
Your shades.
My shades. What's is shades? The fuck is? Hello.
Hello,
How are you, man?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. I see you got a PlayStation 5.
Yeah,
What is your
Yeah.
favorite game?
GTA 5, maybe GTA 6, but
How-
2026.
How is GTA 6 your favorite game?
2026,
No.
crazy, bro. 2026, bro.
What?
I say maybe.
Okay. So GTA
Yeah.
5 is your favorite game?
You,
Yes.
what's your favorite game?
My favorite game, Fortnite.
और कर ये भाई बनते हैं उसमें काला किस लिख को रहा है अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Bro, stop laughing at me, bro. But they see me and they start fucking laughing, bro. A good slave. Hey, yo! Hi, sir. I can be your slave. Hallo, Herr. Ich kann dein Sklave sein. You do what you tell me.
Oh, Crystal, what the fuck? I thought you're a girl.
No, bro. You
Sasta
fuck
more
girl
boy
with
din mo.
beard, bro. Where do you see girl with beard, bro?
Yeah, your name is Crystal, so that I think you're a girl.
No, cause I'm crystal
shit.
clear, bro. I'm crystal. You know, like a diamond, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh, I get it. Okay, take care. Thank you for the time. Love you.
W mans. Can you hear me?